Operation instructions for the controller of our compact electric sit-stand desk. Desk reset procedure. To reset the desk, press and hold the down arrow button to lower the desktop to its lowest position. 28.7 will be displayed on the screen, and you can release the down button. Then press and hold the down button for 3 seconds, and the controller will display RST. Continue to hold the down arrow button, and the desk will go down a little, then back up. Your desk is now reset. Memory height function. Set the desk to the desired height, then press and hold either the 1 or 2 button for 3 seconds until S-1 or S-2 is displayed on the screen, indicating that the height setting has been saved.